Hey guys, check in. Welcome back to another video from the Smith World, guys. We're out here, and this would be what, part how much? Part 3 or part 2? Alright, this would be part 2, people, of us cooking up some crab that we catch the other day. Alright, so we're gonna prepare some curry crab with bammy. We have 4 bammy and we're gonna cook that up with the curry crab. Alright, people, and I hope you like the first one, part 1. I hope you like it up, guys. Alright, so out here we just got get some wood, so we're gonna light up the stove and get the ball game rolling. Alright, speaking of ball game, guys, which team wanna bring this year? Let me know in the comment section. The Smithsboro TV, we are bring Brazil years now. So yeah man, comment in the comment section which team.
Brazil side.
We love Neymar.
Neymar not. Yeah.
Neymar might not be playing, guys, but Neymar to the world. Alright, so yeah man, check in over here. So we have the crab them clean up and everything. Alright, so you will see the process of when we were cleaning up the crab or the crabs, okay? So these are the seasoning that I'm going to use today. I'm going to use some curry, alright, jerk, Maggi, jerk, and some chicken Maggi, all purpose, seasoned to the bone. Alright, some scallion and thyme. We have the pepper here, so garlic, piece of ginger. Alright, and we're gonna wash it with the vinegar. And we have here some sweet pepper, green and red. And we got some bammy here. 4 bammy, people. 4 bammy, but 1 come cut up and thing. Alright, cooking all the stuff, we fry up the bammy. See? So, yeah man. Stick and stay. That one here I go sick.
Okay, people. Let's get the fire started. If the wind allows.
Few moments later.
Okay, there we go.
So we get the crab them wash up, guys, with some vinegar. Them wash already, no people, but we just give it a bit more washing because them did the freezer. So we're gonna wash off the vinegar water here, guys, and then we're gonna season them up. You see how much crab that we have to go cook it in that big pot, guys, because I have some people to give a few takes out of this crab. Alright, so we're gonna throw off the water. guys. Don't know if you're dull, but guess what? Free to use the other one, them sharp, guys. Like all the print charm, him. Free to use it. Okay, I see now. No, I use so much of the seed. So guys, we have scallion, thyme, garlic, ginger, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and what is onion. Alright? So guys, the pot on the fire. My breeze blowing out. But the long goal is still. Fine. Alright guys, so here we're doing this one now. We're just going to let the seeds of them fry out in the oil. Let all that flavor infuse into the oil. Alright? And it makes sense to season up the crab them, guys, because remember it's just shell. It's just shell. So we're gonna put in our curry, burn it a little bit. Then we put in our crab and then we start to season up the crab with the season them, alright? Yeah. So when the water go in one thing, all the water and flavor gonna taste up the meat, you understand? Flavor up the meat. Alright, so here we are gonna know guys. I'm gonna sprinkle my curry now. Just watch and see the process. Alright, so we're gonna put in the crab. Put in the crab. So now talk about potatoes. Disturb now, no, but it's the process. That's the process. Smell good already, you know. We're gonna season it up now, guys. Some season to the bone. Maggi all-purpose. Chicken. And last of powder season, we have some garlic powder. I'm gonna stir this all together. Breeze up those people. On the bottom, to the curry water. Alright, we're gonna throw some water in now, guys. and let this cook. So we're gonna leave this for it to cook.
Alright guys, this is the curry crab after a few minutes. This one is so good, but we have a long way to go. Oh, look at this coffee, you know.
Real beauty.
There's a lot of steam. Okay. That is it, people. Stick and stay. Alright, so check-in, people. We have our bammy here. This already cut up already, so we don't need to cut that. We're going to cut this in strips and then we're going to soak it into some sugar and water. Alright, so let's begin. Kind of tough. So I might suck that one, you know. Kind of tougher. Alright, so that is it, people. So we go. Yeah. For them to soak. Drop in these ones as well. First, I'm seeing this brand though.
Yeah, same. First and see. So we're gonna let this soak, guys.
It actually tastes really good when you soak it in sugar, so if you never try it, you can try it, guys. Really good.
Yeah, so we're gonna let it sit a while and then we're gonna fry it
That is it, people.
to soak up the sweet sugar water.
Can we check in on the crab?
Yes, we can. We're gonna check on the crab. The crabby patty. Smell that, guys? Smell that? It smells like something you get at the restaurant. Crabs for days, months and years. Come on. Who not eat crab? Comment in the comment section, guys. What would you eat this with? The crab? Curry crab? We don't eat this with, people. You know, I miss out who not hit them something here, man. I'm missing out. Can stay, guys. Alright, guys, check in. Bammy time. Friday bammy them now, so check in the stove. Lower the fire.
start. What's going on here?
What's going on here?
Only the middle of the pot had.
Kim should have curry all of them. Like curry.
Like curry.
Yeah.
Well, here I have some here.
Soon check back with Grandpa.
You're right, we have to go blaze up the fire someone. Alright guys, we're gonna share. Spoon hot. We're ready a butter.
This is 2 big nuggets.
In the big no one.
Put your plates in the chat, guys, or in the comment section.
Worth it, guys. Honestly, worth it. What if a mosquito bite? Swamp.
Hello,
Worth
it is.
10 out of 10. Good.
Nice.
Beautiful. Looking good. Curry crab. Jamaican pattern style. Yes. Really good, my girl. Keep it up. Left. Yeah, the Bammy sweet.
Yes, good.
Good.
What happened, guys? It's happened.
I don't know where to start.
Yeah, 2 talk when you eat crab, you know.
Mama.
You can't waste time with crab.
Bammy tastes real good.
I want one spoon of white rice like that.
True.
Bammy don't too fast.
Yes, the Bammy little.
Nice one. Start. Start already.
And so guys, this is the end of this video. Hope you like it. Subscribe if you haven't. Yes, so see us in the next video. Please remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Love you guys. Bye. Love you guys.
The diesel.
Alright. Big up on yourself, everybody. No love. Yeah, man. See you in the next video. Enjoy the crab, man.
All right, guys. See you in the next one.